जादू दिल को छू गया। हीलर पूजा सेठ के साउंड हीलिंग सेशन ने सबको एक अलग ही एनर्जी का एक्सपीरियंस दिया। सुधा चंद्रन, नीलू कोहली, मिताली नाग अपना हार्ट फेल्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड शेयर किया सेशन के बाद।
But I never realized that there was so much of, pent-up frustration, anger, probably which I had suppressed only to become successful. And today that found a release. There was a lot of heaviness. Suddenly I realized when you said that I couldn't find the heaviness anywhere in my body but in my heart. So I will call it a suppressed anger. Though I would not say negativity. It was something, like you rightly said, to face the world many a time, we don't act on the street, we have to real that. Just to make sure that the people around us are very happy. We don't want to let them down. So this was the time, it was like a journey that I saw from my childhood to this age. And I was releasing one aspect which I thought I had got over. And many a time I felt that I almost touched there and came back. And I also saw my parents today after a very long time. After a very, very long time. After they left this world, I always wanted to see them. But somewhere today I had a vision of them. So probably that is a blessing that I'm going to take back from here. And I assure you, my 2026, whatever best I do, I will owe it to her for this transformation. And thanks for my husband also, who normally doesn't attend, but I told him to come and I'm sure he's very happy because the moment I woke up I said, "Kaisa laga?" He says, "Bahut acha." So thank you for this. I think it transformed our lives and we all will be indebted to you because we all feel that we've done great things in life. But we've somewhere forgotten that we need a master, a guru, who will hold us and tell us what's right and wrong. So we don't know who our masters are, but I think you're all have been deputed by that master to change all our lives. And thank you, Krishan. I think I told you I wanted to do this session and you encouraged me. I was so scared because I was in Raipur and I thought the Indigo would not allow me to reach here. But then you guys manifested it and Indigo flew on time and I reached here on time to receive this. Thank you so much. Keep this great work happening. I'm so happy to meet you being an orthopedic surgeon.
Absolutely.
Yes, because I'm indebted to your fraternity for what I am.
I know.
Yeah.
You know a lot and
Yes.
I'm very proud of what we have done.
I'm so happy to know that from the medical profession, people have started believing in this. And this is the need of the hour. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much. I have been on this journey of spiritualism since some time now. So I came with zero expectation here. Because I thought I'd done it all. ये भी है, वो भी करेगा, सब तो कर ही लिया. तो, and though my body was very tired, because I had come from an outdoor, a 20-day outdoor, उसके बाद 3-4 दिन का rest, फिर यहाँ. And a tedious outdoor where we would get up at 4:30 in the morning, get back by 9 in the night. So yes, body was tired, but यहाँ मुझे लगा कि और so much has been happening about the 12th portal, but I just forgot about the 12th because so overworked and सब कुछ इंस्टा में देखा भी सब किया भी भूल गई क्या 12th portal में. And then I realized that when he has to give, he creates all the opportunities. And the moment I entered with this intent of receiving. And I did receive a lot. Thank you so much for giving, because I could feel all your energies and such beautiful energies. And the aura here was so beautiful. There was at one point of time when I felt, what you wanted us to feel, like out right there with the divine being, with surrender, हम कहते हैं सरेंडर लेकिन हम करते नहीं। We all say कि हमने सरेंडर कर दिया, लेकिन उसमें भी we hold back. We are so human that we feel कि नहीं यार वो नहीं करेगा कुछ। But through this journey, I was able to surrender, and I think today was one of those days when I totally surrendered. So thank you for taking me through this, and a lot of gratitude to each one of you who's here. So busy aligning ourselves within us, but this time I was so well aligned that I could take my children with me for this. And I've been trying this since a very long time. This was the first time. I have 4 children, 2 who I gave birth to, and 2 my children-in-laws. And with all 4 children, I could walk, and this was, I just realized this, such a big feat to happen, because it only happens if you're so aligned with whatever you're trying to teach us.
मतलब आपने तो हेल्प की है, मुझे लग रहा है कि सबकी एनर्जी ने भी मुझे बहुत हेल्प की है। जब शुरुआत की थी हमने इस सेशन की, तब मैं ये सोच रही थी कि मुझे ये छोड़ना है, मुझे ये छोड़ना है, मुझे नेगेटिविटी हटानी है, मुझे सब करना है। बट जब ये सेशन चल रहा था, तब मुझे समझ में आया कि मैं अपने आप को तंग कर रही हूँ ये बोल के कि कोई नेगेटिविटी है। कोई नेगेटिविटी है ही नहीं, कोई तकलीफ है ही नहीं। हर चीज़ की सॉल्यूशन हमारे पास है। यहाँ पे जहाँ पे सोच लोगे कि कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको ट्रबल कर ही नहीं सकती। सो पूरे सेशन में आई वॉज सेइंग सॉरी टू माई सेल्फ दैट यू हैव कॉज्ड दिस, एंड this was brilliant. I really hope कि ये जो 12 का पोर्टल हम सब ने आज फील किया है, इसका एक अलग रिजल्ट मिलेगा, एक अलग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा हर किसी के लाइफ में। थैंक यू।
We all are on the same page. सबसे पहले अभी to मेरे मैम की 12 ये जो पोर्टल था, इसके बारे में तो हम भूल गए। And the moment when we started, at some point of time, I was so much distracted with the negativity that I already had within me. क्योंकि हमारी जो डेली लाइफ है, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक, इतनी स्टार्टिंग में ही आप में से किसी ने कहा था कि हमारे अंदर एक फिल्टर है, हम सब यहाँ पर एक ऐसे प्रोफेशन में हैं, एंड प्लस एक जो फिल्टर है ना, उससे हमें एकदम बबली एंड हैप्पी वाला जो मोमेंट है वो रखना पड़ता है। मतलब ना चाहते हुए भी कई बार ऐसी चीज़ होती है, बट टुडे देयर वाज it was so candid, everything was so unfiltered, and somehow or the other I forgot everything. I forgot the moment कि मुझे यहाँ से कुछ छोड़ना भी है, because I realized कि वो मेरा पार्ट ही नहीं था। When we talk about something, when we talk about the negativity of 2025, I just felt it was just then and there, वो chapter जो भी था वो शायद close हो चुका है। And thank you so much, because the synergy that each and every one, and today I realize how important group meditation is, how important this, the sound healing is, because मैं खुद sound profession belong करती हूँ, so music is medicine of my life, and आज ये जो पूरा माहौल है वो so and so different. A lot of gratitude to each and every one of you, and special thanks to Prashant also and his team, जिन्होंने हमें आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया, हम सबको एक साथ यहाँ पर बुलाया, और आज हम लोग यहाँ से बहुत सारी अपनी लाइफ की पॉजिटिविटी लेकर जा रहे हैं।
जो ज्ञान आपने हमारे अंदर जो एनर्जी छुपी हुई है उसके बारे में बताया, देखिए हम लोग कितने बड़े हैं और इतनी सब चीज़ें हमारे अंदर हैं, लेकिन उसको कैसे यूज़ करना है और अपने लिए कैसे उसको फायदेमंद बनाना है, ये ज्ञान आप लोगों से प्राप्त हुआ। तो हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं आप लोगों के कि आपने हमको इसका ये बताया और फ्यूचर में हम उसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे।
So firstly when I came here I was like no, I'm fine, कुछ healing नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, ये सब लाइफ है, होता रहता है। I'm not a person who takes things too much to my heart or head। जैसे दिन जा रहे हैं unless it's like really something massive। But as and when the session went on, went deeper and deeper, I discovered नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। I myself don't know that I need this, and when it happened to me, I was like, okay, this is something, this side of me which I didn't know, which is there somewhere inside me, and I discovered that today. Thank you so much for this. It was a really wonderful, calming, beautiful session, and I'm glad that I'll be starting my year with this iota of purity and calmness which I have, and I hope I will be able to keep this for the entire year. और जब वो energy फिर से low होगी, we'll do this again and we'll kind of rebuild this.
The team up there, the people out here, the divine power. I had a similar experience to Sudaji, so I just thought I'd share it. I lost a very close friend 2 weeks ago to cancer. She actually passed away in front of my eyes. I was holding her hand while it happened. And I have been very disturbed by the whole experience. And today, during the sound healing, she actually came and stood in front of me just to tell me that she was in a better place and that I need to speak to her partner out here because he's very disturbed. And just seeing her there, I think, kind of helped me release a lot of the emotions I've been carrying. So
it was very peaceful. The voice, the entire ambience, the vibe was fantastic. I felt a lot of peace. After a long time, it was total peace and it was a state of trance as well. And it was a very positive feeling. I'm feeling very relaxed. I had food poisoning. I think it is over now.
जब मैं पिछले 1 हफ्ते से मैं बहुत डिस्टर्ब रही हूँ, बट जैसे मैं एंटर हुई हूँ अंदर, मुझे यहाँ के वाइब्रेशन से एकदम पॉजिटिव कर दिया और जो भी ग्रजेस थे मेरे अंदर वो सब निकल गए और एकदम एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया है। थैंक यू, आप सभी को बहुत 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 शुक्रिया।
I had no burden in my heart. I'll be very open. I was very happy during the entire session. I was smiling. I had a smile on my face. The sound was so beautiful. First healing session of sound, and I think I want to do this regularly. That's the feeling that comes to me.
And I can say this year I was thinking this is the best year. I'm not having anything inside me. And during this session, like first of all, we start with the vibrating energy we are getting in our body, and then we shift it to the breath walk. And that breath walk, one point of time I realized I'm holding so many emotions. And we are the humans. Every human is having some emotion inside. And during that session, all those emotions are coming out. And in the end, this sound bath was amazing. And especially the last song, O Palanhare, was the perfect end for this session. Thank you so much for this lovely experience.